Hey there, what's going on? It's Muriel from the Sunshine Family. Today covering in the series pros of cons of living in Costa Rica. I want to touch on Costa Rica insects, and not in the way that you probably are hoping for or suspecting. I'm gonna share something really gross with you that I believe is a benefit for you to know if you're looking for building up an expat life in Costa Rica, or you're thinking about moving to Costa Rica and you're looking for the pros and cons. I have something that you should not watch if you have a sensitive stomach. I'm gonna warn you, don't watch my video if you have a sensitive stomach. I do want you to see what I have to share. Before I will touch on this topic, I am inviting you at this moment to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet, and hit the bell icon if you want to be updated every time I upload a new video that can teach you things about Costa Rica. If you're thinking about moving to Costa Rica, start a new life, or other information you're looking for. I dedicated my channel, basically it has started as a basically for fun, because people start to ask me about how I've done a lot of things, because I moved to Costa Rica in 2018. I'm standing on my property, which is still in the build, while Dirk is still recovering our septic tank, because we figured out how that works. I stumble upon things every day that I believe that you can benefit from if you're looking to learn things about Costa Rica. This is a really messy video because Dirk is walking back and forth with stones to throw in the septic tank field. But I just wanted to show you, this is me, this is the unedited version of Costa Rica expat life. I believe you can benefit from it, so don't forget to subscribe, reward me with your thumbs up, and share my video if you think they can benefit. Can I share something gross? But it's also beautiful nature, by the way. But this is about Costa Rica insects. And you can call it a prawn, you can call it a pro of living in Costa Rica. I leave that up to you. But I'm going to show you something that I found because we were doing a veggie garden, which is actually, okay, I'm going to tell you a funny story first, okay? And it's behind me. You see that bucket? I'm going to show you something. I literally got the task from Dirk to empty the bucket. It is for compost. It's all a veggie. Well, first of all, about our veggie garden. You see it behind me. There's still rucola here. There's all kinds of stuff. We started when we thought the world was collapsing during COVID. Was a perfect property for us here to close the fence and to survive and wait until COVID basically would disappear. But COVID has not disappeared. The world has proved not to be disappearing either. And we have a lot of organic markets here and deliverers here. We literally have, in less than a kilometer, organic farm where we can deliver, ask them to deliver organic food here. So there is a lot around us, and we decided that it's not really our passion project to water a garden when it's raining, and it's just a lot of work, and you should have your heart in your garden to make it work. We decided this is not really our mission. So we decided to build a pool in the near future on this ideal spot near the existing house and the buses. Probably you know that we built a brand new house in the straight line behind the veggie garden. You see it there behind my finger. And we're gonna build our own brand new house right there on the other part of our property. Well, that is just a little side story. I don't know where to begin or if I want to do this, what I want to show you about Costa Rica expat insects. But anyways, why was I sharing? Oh yeah, the veggie garden will disappear. So to crank this little temporary place where we're living now, while we are working on our design of our brand new house over there, this is going to be like our friends or rental, or just when our best friends are coming with their 4 kids. We can just say, hey, find yourself a bus and there's a house and an office, and it's basically facilitated for a family. For us, this is the cheapest way to live here now on our own property before our 5-bedroom apartment has been built. That takes just time. Anyways, long story short, are you ready for something really gross? Call it a prawn, call it a pro, and here we go. So you see this bucket? This bucket is where our leftovers of our food are going to later on. You see over there, at that tree in the center of the screen, hold on Dirk, there is our compost, and we bring the bucket to the compost. But I am honestly very, very lazy. So I didn't empty the bucket. Dirk. Oh my goodness. Okay, don't look at this if you have a weak stomach. Oh my goodness. You see? Oh my goodness. Is this? Oh my goodness. Okay, so the bucket is moving. And the bucket is moving, literally. And I have to empty the thing. And I didn't do it for I don't know how long. And I don't want to. But I have to, because when all these what's the word? Before something becomes a fly. If I don't do it, we got like a plague here of flies. So I have to do it. And I don't want to do it, but I think those insects are great for a compost. This is how compost works, right? The animals help to digest everything, and when you have very healthy soil, you can use it for your veggie garden or for whatever. So, but I just want to show you that if you're not used to living in a tropical climate, because I'm from the Netherlands, right? I'm not used that thing go really fast like this, and there's made is the Dutch word. What's the English word for made? What's the English word for made? Maggots. So that's the English word. I had to search for it. So yeah, things go really rapidly here. You can call it a con, because you know you cannot just leave leftovers in the sink, because animals will find it, especially when you live outdoors where we live on farmers' land, right? There's rats smelling animals, we have coyotes, we have all kinds of animals here waiting for our food leftovers. So, but besides that, the tropical climate makes it that, you know, insects are bigger, everything is bigger, those maggots are big, and this is just, if you don't like it, don't go to Costa Rica. But I have, by the way, before I'm going to empty that stupid bucket, I have an awesome tip for you if you're seriously interested in learning more about insects, Costa Rica insects. One of my dear friends, and I am following him myself on YouTube. And we started to connect, and I really like his videos. I watch them with my son and even with Dirk, and he is an amazing video maker. I really want to make I want to give you a heads up for Ricky Zen in Living Focus. I will add his link in the description under my video. I want you to discover this guy. He makes really beautiful nature videos, and he just talks about it in a very entertaining way. I just love his style. Ricky, if you're watching this, I really mean this, you know it. And yeah, I think he deserves some love. So take a look at his channel, Ricky Zen in Living Focus, to really learn about Costa Rica animals, also insects, which is beautiful if you ask me. So what I just did is just ruining perhaps your Costa Rica idea. Of course, we have colibris, he's beautiful, we have beautiful birds, we have monkeys, but insects, Costa Rica insects, they're there as well, and they're part of reality. I get questions about dangerous Costa Rica insects. How dangerous is Costa Rica to live? Well, I just believe if you use your common sense, like I didn't do this time. I didn't empty the bucket. I saw the bucket for days and days and days, and I thought, oh, I don't dare to watch under under the top, but Dirk just did it for me. He said, you have to empty it now, Muriel, because you know he's working, he's doing some thingies there, and the septic tank is smelly as well. But I trust my word, it is that you cannot smell it, but this is more disgusting to smell than the septic tank things. By the way, now that I am talking here anyways, let me show you. If you're watching all my videos, you have probably seen that the bajo was here emptying this. And this is what is happening now. So we really take this step by step. We're never in a hurry. As you know, I still have to paint that little shed, by the way, but it's rainy season now. Look, so Dirk really beautifully, we have emptied the septic tank. This is not about this topic, but now we're here and probably you were thinking, what happened with the septic tank that I was covering in my previous videos? The tank is okay. It was just a septic field, was really overflowed with roots. We emptied it, we cleaned it, we put the stones back in, actually Dirk did, and bought a new pipe with stuff around it that's root protective and some other stuffies. And the big stones, then the pipe, and now the small stones, and then fill it up again. How cool is that? So yeah, I'm really proud of Dirk. Okay, now I'm going to get the maggots where they belong. If you have any questions, please let me know, reply below. Subscribe to my channel, and if you're curious about how I make my income online by sharing my passions and everything I've learned here on YouTube with affiliate marketing, but also with my videos on how you can do the same. So if you have an expertise, for example, if your passion and expertise is fishing, there is so much possible on the internet these days, and to generate a solid income with it, then don't hesitate to reach out to me as well. You'll find my messenger link and other connection ways here on the in the description under my video, or just hit the first link and learn more about affiliate marketing and really working online in a very easy way that doesn't require doing calls or learning, you know, complicated skills, with just following specific steps and leverage with a system that's already working. Hit the first link, that's all. So don't forget to follow Ricky Zen, and appreciate you watching me. Say goodbye to the animals. And I'll see you soon. Ciao from Costa Rica. Okay, so I just asked Dirk for help. He's super big. Why are you doing that?
It slipped.
You threw it on purpose?
No.
So I couldn't. It's very hard for me to get the.
How here is it?
Get the bucket. So he did it for me. I'm very proud of Dirk. The bucket slipped through his hands, but the insects, Costa Rica leftovers, are on the compost. Okay. I hope to inspire you. Do you think this is a pro or a con? I don't want to bring the bucket, but okay, now I have to clean the bucket. Okay, I hope you enjoyed my video. Ciao!